Secret number 3 to agility is really knowing how to maximize and utilize the information in the first 2 secrets. What we're talking about here is the angles of how you put force into the ground. In secret number 1, we're talking about the base of support and understanding how that works. In number 2, we talked about the center of gravity and how it works over the base of support. Now, in this secret, we're going to talk about how we put force into the ground and the angles we put force into the ground. The leaning speed skater is a great way to illustrate this. When we want to change direction and we want to have great agility, we got to understand that the angles of which we put force into the ground are critical. The key is to make sure the center of gravity is in front of the base of support. That's going to give us the correct angle to maximize our force into the ground and to become a great, agile athlete.